In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add an EMA or Exponential Moving Average indicator in TradingView. It's a powerful tool that helps you spot trends faster than a simple moving average. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account so your settings and indicators will be saved. Next, go to the Products menu at the top and click it to expand your options. Then, select Super Charts so you can open up a full-featured chart view for any asset you want to analyze. After the chart loads, click on Indicators in the top left corner of your screen. This opens a search panel for all built-in tools. In the search bar, type EMA, which stands for Exponential Moving Average. Finally, click on Moving Average Exponential from the list and it will instantly appear on your chart. And that's how you add the EMA indicator in TradingView. Using EMA helps you catch market trends earlier and make better informed trading decisions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and clear tutorials. See you next time!